Are you looking for a simple beaded necklace you can make under few minutes and you are good to go? Stop right here. This is absolutely perfect for you. Very easy to make and straightforward. Perfect for beginners. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by always. Thank you for your love and support. So today I share with you how to make this beautiful spiral bead necklace. Absolutely beautiful, easy to make under few minutes. All you need to do is watch this video to the end, give it a thumb up, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell. Without me wasting much of our time, let's get started. Materials needed. So before we continue, I want to show you how the straw looks like. As you can see, this is the straw bead. Okay, this is how it is looking like. This one is the gold color. Okay, and we have our seed bead. Okay, these are the main materials for today's tutorial, and then other materials for the hook. Okay, so let's get started. So now cut a fire line and insert it into your working needle. So guys, to start with, pick one seed bead first, one seed bead, one pipe, one seed bead, one pipe bead, one seed bead, one pipe bead. Okay, making 3 seed bead, 3 pipe bead. Okay, I hope you can see that. So insert that in your fire line. Okay, just like so, and then pull it down. After you pull it down, all you need to do is just knot. Okay, knot it, but remember, leave extra fire line. Okay, leave like 15 to 20 inches fire line. All right, then you knot. So after knotting, this is what you have. This is what you should have. Okay, so after knotting and you have this, the next thing to do, pass your needle into the next seed bead. Pass it through this seed bead right here. Okay, and then pull it. This is the extra line I told you to leave. Okay, make sure you leave extra line for the finishing. Okay, so after you pass your line through the seed bead, okay, then you pick one seed bead and one pipe bead. As you can see, one seed bead, one pipe bead, and then you pass your needle through, skip the pipe bead and walk your needle through the seed bead. This tutorial is very simple. Okay, and then pull it. So once you pull, this is what you have. Okay, the next thing, pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, like so. Okay, and then pass your needle through the next seed bead. You skip the pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so. I hope it is clear. Okay, and pull it. After pulling, this is what you have. Okay, now, so you pick one seed bead, one pipe bead. Okay, this is what we'll continue to pick. One seed bead, one pipe bead. This is the method. Okay, now at this point, you see you have 2 seed bead right here. Now what you are going to do, this is your working line, as you can see. So you are going to skip the pipe bead and the first seed bead. Then you pass your needle through the second seed bead, the up one. Okay, then pull it. So after pulling, as you can see, this is your work. This is what you should have. Okay, now pick one seed bead. I hope it's clear. You pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, then pass your needle through the up seed bead. Okay, always keep the down one. Pass your needle through this seed bead right here. Okay, and pull it. So after pulling, this is what you have, okay? So as you continue, you are going to get the shape. Now, pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, and pass your needle through the top seed bead. This one, the second one. You skip the pipe bead, the first seed bead, and pass your needle through the upper one, the one we added, okay? And pull it. Pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, then pass your needle through the next seed bead, the up one, like so. Pull it. Pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so. Pull it. Pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull it. Pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull it. So guys, this is what you have. See how beautiful it is. So that is just the simple process. Just pick one seed bead, one pipe bead, and continue this process until you get to your desired length, okay? So continue beading, okay, until we both meet at our desired length and we do the finishing, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell. All right, so let's meet at the concluding part. All right, so guys, now that we have beaded to the length that we want, you see how beautiful it is. You see that? It's so beautiful, so lovely, so lovely. Okay, so now that we have beaded to the length that we want, the next thing to do, just set this aside, okay? Set it aside first. Then get your head pin. This is your head pin. This is how it is looking like. I hope you know our head pin, okay? This is the head pin. So get your head pin, get your bead, okay? And also your jump ring. At this point, we are going to insert the bead in the head pin, okay? Just keep watching what I am doing. Insert the bead in the head pin, take your plier, and then fold this part. So this is what you should have, okay? You see that? So do it for the second one as well. So once you are done making this, okay, we have the two right here. Now pick your beaded necklace. At this point, pick 7 seed bead, okay? Pick 7 seed bead. This is your working line coming out from the seed bead, okay? Now pass your needle through. After picking the 7 seed bead, pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull it. So this is what you have. Pick 7 seed bead, all right? This is your working line. Then pass your needle through the next seed bead, like so, and pull. Now pick 7 seed bead again, then pass your needle through the last seed bead, like so, and pull it. So this is what you have. All right, now pass your needle through 4 seed bead. Pass your needle through 4 seed beads and pull it. Okay, at this point, from the 7 seed bead that we have here, just pass your needle through the 4th seed bead, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th seed bead, pass your needle through it, like so, and pull it. Now, from the 7th seed bead that we have here also, pass your needle through the 4th seed bead. Okay, 1 2 3 4, through the 4th seed bead, like so. Okay, and pull it. Now pass your needle through the 3 seed bead, the top 3 seed bead that we have our line. Okay, pass your needle through it, the 4th seed bead as well, like so, and pull it. So this is what we have. As you can see, we have something like a hole here now. So this part now we are going to insert. We are going to insert this in it. Open it and insert it. After inserting it, then pull your fire line, pull it over it like so, and then close it. You see that? You see, we have this in heat. We have this inside. You see it? We have it inside now. So the next thing to do now is to work our fire line through the 3 beads that is holding this cap pin. Okay, we have 3 beads. So work your needle through those 3 beads as much as possible. 5 times, 4 times, as much as possible, that you know your needle can walk through the bead, so as to secure this part properly. Okay, so once you are done working your needle through the seed bead and you are sure that this is properly secured, then you knot. Okay, to knot, just pass your needle down, pass it through the fire line. So now that we know we have secured the cap pin properly, okay, now we are going to secure our line. You don't cut immediately where you knot. Okay, secure it by working it through some seed beads like so. Okay, and this is what we have. You see it? So this is what you have. The next thing, we are just going to insert our hook. So you get your jump ring, open it, insert your hook and into the bead, then close it properly, and voila, we are done fixing the hook. So this is what you have. Okay, this is what you have. Now what we did here, we are going to repeat it here. That is why I said you should leave some fire line. Okay, so guys, we are done making our beautiful spiral beaded necklace. See how beautiful it is. You see that? Very, very beautiful. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Please like this video, comment, share it out for others to see. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit on the subscribe button, join this awesome family, and then turn on the post notification bell. So whenever I drop a lovely video just like this one, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you all. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.